Hey guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we are building our oil pan. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's the oil pan. This is a metal version of the original version. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it apart and use this steel right here and re-weld this thing so it can fit. So the problem we're running into is the crossbar is right in the way. Alright, so here's the oil pan and we're gonna basically cut this section out. So what I'm going to do is measure how much I need to cut it out, and then use a cardboard, make a little template, and then cut out the pieces out of this steel and weld it all up. Okay, so after testing it, I cut it a little bit too short. So what I gotta do is bring it up to this part right here. So I'm gonna take the old piece, cut off this angle, weld it back on, and then build something flat.
oil pan is done. I just got a few bolts on. I'm gonna clean it up later, as everything else on this car is gonna get cleaned up later and painted up, touched up. So it's gonna look nice and pretty. But for the most part, the oil pan is done. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you let me know down below. And if you didn't, let me know down below. And the oil pan is pretty much done. It's missing one piece, the oil return line. And I'm going to figure that out after I install the turbo and figure out where the best location to put that piece. And first I got to go buy it. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. And we'll be back next week or the week after that with something else. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, comment, and have a good day.